jihad and terrorism. Yeah. So we're just kidding you.
We think about to change the time. Maybe the Sunday is not appropriate. Maybe we go for Monday or Friday. If we try to see, if you try to email us which time will be better. Maybe because we need more audiences, especially the non-Muslims and the Muslims, to come and to enlighten their knowledge. So this is a vast topic, and we encourage you to invite your non-Muslims friends and as many as you can. So inshallah, we try to see through, look at our way so that you can be updated in regular.
And also, next Sunday, the 4th, on the IIF premises, you will have the chance to listen to Naeem again, inshallah. Jazakallah khairan for coming. Assalamu alaikum.